Hi, welcome to SwissCloud. I would like to present you our company and our desktop as a service. So let's have a look at the company. We are a Swiss-based company with the headquarters in Geneva. We have a second office close to Zurich. Our cloud is hosted in two data centers, one in Geneva, one in Lugano. We right now plan to run it on a third one close to Zurich. We provide a full suite of cloud services, so we provide desktop as a service, infrastructure as a service. We also provide disaster recovery backup as a service. We also provide high availability where we protect your business critical applications through the cloud. We are really focused on agility, meaning in fact we have a web dashboard. We provide you with real-time monitoring where you also can in fact merge your existing LAN into our cloud, so kind of hybrid cloud, and really focused on security and privacy, which I will explain a bit more later. So key features, again, security, managing agility. All our data centers are ISO PCI and FINMA confirmed. We will provide very soon a second video for the dashboard where you can really see what is the dashboard about, how to do that. So please come back soon here. So let's have a look on the desktop as a service. It's a flexible on-demand desktop resource solution. So it's really easy to implement. It's transparent. So what we do is in fact we give you a master image. You can really install all your stuff. Then you will get access also maybe through your partner. Then in fact get a console where you can do the cloning of the master image. So when you have 100 users, you will do a clone of your master image for 100 users. Of course, cost effective. So it's really fixed price per user per month. No high investment, nothing else. So let's have a look at the solution itself. So what we do is in fact to provide per user a virtual machine. As mentioned, if we have 50 users, we provide you 50 virtual machines. The components, it is in fact an hosted VDI solution. We give you the image management tools, the automatic provisioning of virtual machines. This can also grow if you say we would like to start with 50 users and then as our business grows, we will grow with the other stuff. We have implemented out-of-the-box load balancing for the whole thing here, access control lists. You get really access to the log files and everything. The whole solution is high available, and I think it's a really attractive solution if you have multiple locations or you really have people working from home and you would like to manage all your desktops centrally. So typical use cases, actually desktop as a service is interesting for all the different areas. One thing we experience very soon is this bring your own laptop concept, especially for startup companies and workhomers. So our solution is running on Mac, it's running on Unix, it's running on any kind of Windows. So it's also running on thin clients. So this is really, we have customers telling us that they like it because they don't need to buy laptops dedicated, put in an corporate OS image, then handle the whole stuff. So this is a pretty simple to use, easy solution. So typical desktop as a service scenario. What we do, what we provide for each customer is a private dedicated VLAN. Inside this VLAN you get your private DHCP range. We have our own global DNS solution. It's really our in-house solution running, protected by external services. So you get also your private IP range to in fact manage the whole thing. From the outside we have a connection broker which is in fact handling all the requests and it will forward it directly to your private VLAN. On top of it we have the dashboard. As I said, it will be explained in a different video how it looks like. You can see a small screenshot. But in fact your dashboard is your console to manage your private VLAN. You also can have two VLANs to say, for example, I would like to separate my infrastructure as a service and my desktop as a service to really build a kind of data center on the cloud. And what you also get, and this is really per customer, it is a dedicated VPN firewall virtual appliance. So you can really manage also your VPN connections to your company LAN. You can set up access rules for your firewall. So you really get control what's going into the cloud and out of the cloud. So we are really here full transparent and really trying to give everything to our customers regarding security and privacy. So when we look, we as a company have also done a lot of VDI projects in the last year. So we know what we are talking about, and we always face from customer to customer the same thing. High investment, complex installation, you need training, you need additional resources. There's a lot of stuff you have to do next to the just VDI implementation. You need to think about your backup. What about the backup? You need to back up the whole thing, which is included in our solution. What we do, it's time consuming, so the whole project planning, the resources. Later you need to support the whole thing. You will have license costs, which we in fact have a fixed price per user per month. And I think all these kind of stuff, so desktop as a service is the logical next step after VDI. So in a nutshell, we are reducing your PC and support costs. It's fast and easy implementation. In a second video, which we will also have available soon, you will see how to get into or how to use the desktop as a service using the web portal. So thanks for your attention. Have a good day and ask for a trial.